Just for today, the 25th of January podcast.
When we look back, it's clear how much we depended on drinking for just about everything. It was our go-to for fun, for breaking out of our shells, and even for handling physical or emotional pain. For so many of us, alcohol became the answer to every problem, even though it was causing so many more.
Exactly. If we felt shy or awkward, we drank to loosen up. If we were hurting, physically or mentally, alcohol was the escape. The problem was, the more we depended on it, the more it took over every part of our lives. Letting go of that dependence is such a crucial step in recovery, but it's not always easy.
It's not. That's why today's meditation is so powerful. It reminds us that true serenity comes from surrendering our lives to God. It's about trusting that we don't need alcohol to handle life anymore, because we have something so much stronger to rely on, our higher power.
Right. And I love how the meditation reframes the idea of eternal life. It's not just about what happens after we die. It's something we can experience here and now. When we live in alignment with God's will, we find peace, joy, and purpose in the present moment.
That shift in perspective is everything. Instead of struggling through life just trying to get by, we realize that God's kingdom is within us. By surrendering to His guidance and trusting in His plan, we can find fulfillment and serenity every day.
And the best part is, we're no longer running to alcohol for relief or distraction. We're learning to face life head-on with faith, clarity, and strength. That's the kind of freedom that's truly life-changing.
Let's close with the prayer. I pray that I may try to do God's will. I pray that such understanding, insight, and vision shall be mine, and shall make my life eternal, here and now.